Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare turmeric and its effectiveness against worms. We'll explore what turmeric is, its traditional uses, and what current science says about its potential role in combating parasitic infections. Understanding both the traditional claims and the scientific evidence is key to making informed decisions about health and wellness. Let's dive into the details. Turmeric's vibrant color comes from curcumin, its main active ingredient. This compound is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Historically, many traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda, have incorporated turmeric for a wide range of health concerns. Interestingly, some of these ancient practices also suggested using turmeric as a natural remedy to help rid the body of intestinal worms. When we look at the scientific literature, direct human studies on turmeric's effectiveness against intestinal worms are quite limited. While some laboratory, or in vitro, studies have indicated that curcumin might possess anti-parasitic properties against certain organisms, these findings don't automatically mean it works the same way in people. Further comprehensive clinical trials are essential to truly understand any potential benefits and appropriate dosages. Ultimately, while turmeric offers many health benefits and might have some supportive properties, it is not a primary treatment for parasitic worm infections. For any suspected parasitic issue, an accurate diagnosis from a healthcare professional is absolutely essential. They can provide the most effective and appropriate medical treatment. Always prioritize professional medical advice for managing your health concerns, especially when dealing with parasites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.